Just reflecting a little bit the last 12 months, what was that like for us? Well, like many of you, of course, COVID was the dominant theme. We sort of looked around in March and April and wondered what our business would be like. Very quickly realized that we would be able to continue really without any disruption. And in fact, digital transformation at that point became a critical business focus. So in many ways accelerated much of what we're doing. We began the verticalization of key markets for us. So the ones that we're spending a lot of time in: higher education, banking, manufacturing, and the OEM space. That's not to say that we don't have customers in others, but these are places where we're dedicating teams to developing core technologies and core processes on our platform. SOC 2 is a very important certification in the US, pretty much impossible to work with the banking industry if you're not SOC 2 certified. We are SOC 2 certified, and we will be looking forward to a ISO 27001 certification actually in a few months here. And when COVID hit, one of the things we did was start looking at our platform and saying, well, what could we build? So we thought it was original at the time. Turns out lots of people were building similar things, which were these COVID apps. Do you have a cough? Do you have a temperature? Can you come to work? A number of our customers did implement those. In fact, we're running about 20,000 checks a day for one of the largest human capital businesses in the world, publicly traded company I can't name here, but they deployed it for all of their workers to make sure that they were following correct COVID protocols. We had a number of state and local governments reach out to us for immediate implementation of processes that they needed to implement, and that was pretty fun, a pretty fun thing to work on in March and April of 2020.